Hello everyone, I am Prajakta, Faculty for General Awareness at iExamB. In this video, we will be discussing MCQs based on static GA in news. This will help to revise GA section for RBI Assistant Mains exam on 22nd November. Just listing a few topics in static GA, national and international organization, their headquarters, who heads the organization, year of formation, countries, the capital and currency, especially the countries in news, important days, infrastructure projects, roads, bridges, rail projects. Facts related to these projects are being asked. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries, rivers and dams. Revise current affairs from August 2020 to 15th November 2020 on a priority basis and then the previous months. Refer Bpedia for general awareness. It is available on iExamB website and can be downloaded for free. Let's start with the MCQs. World's longest highway tunnel, Atal Tunnel, is at Rohtang in Himachal Pradesh. What is the length of this tunnel? Length of the Atal Tunnel is 9.02 km. It is built by the Border Roads Organization and connects Manali to Lahul Spiti Valley. Bogibil, India's longest rail and road bridge, is built across which river? Bogibil is built across the river Brahmaputra. Here is the picture of the Bogibil bridge. India's longest river ropeway. So second image is of India's longest river ropeway, which is also built across the river Brahmaputra, and it is 1.82 kilometers long. So India's longest rail and road bridge and India's longest river and ropeway. Both the projects are situated in Assam. Who among the following is the Union Minister of Railways and Union Minister of Commerce and Industry? It is important to revise the ministers and their portfolios. The answer is Shri Piyush Goyal. He is the Union Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, and is also in charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. When was the United Nations established? United Nations is an important international organization and was established in 1945. UN is celebrating its 75th anniversary in the year 2020. The United Nations has many specialized agencies. World Health Organization, WHO, is one of the specialized agencies of the UN. Very important, especially in the current scenario. It was established on 7th April 1948. The World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. In which of the following states is the Panna Tiger Reserve located? Panna Tiger Reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh and it has been declared as the UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. When is the World Cotton Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 7th October and in 2020, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India has launched the brand and logo for Indian cotton. India's premium cotton now be known as Kasturi cotton in the world cotton trade. Which of the following cities has India's longest bus rapid transit system, BRTS network? So Surat has the longest BRTS network. It is a corridor of around 108 km. Surat is a city in Gujarat and it is situated on the banks of the river Tapi. So in the second image, you can see the river Tapi and Surat. Kabar Tal, also known as Kavar Jheel, has been recognized as a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. Kabar Tal is in which state of India? Kabar Tal is in Bihar, also known as Kavar Jheel. It is in the Begusarai district of Bihar and was declared the Ramsar site in July 2020. In November 2020, 2 new Ramsar sites were declared in India. Sur Sarovar, which is in Agra in Uttar Pradesh, it is also known as the Keetham Lake, and Lonar Lake in Buldhana district of Maharashtra. World Wetland Day is celebrated on 2nd February. Which of the following is the capital of Maldives? Male is the capital of Maldives, and this is Maldives. India has extended financial assistance to many upcoming infrastructure projects in Maldives. Where is the headquarters of International Solar Alliance situated? The answer is Gurugram, Haryana. ISA is an intergovernmental organization. It was jointly launched by India and France in 2015. India has been re-elected as president of ISA in 2020. Solar energy is a key area which is being focused by the government of India. So any news with reference to solar cities, solar power parks, airports installing solar projects are important. Few tips: be focused, be confident, calm. Keep in mind that there is negative marking, 1/4 mark deducted for wrong answers. So read the questions carefully and select the correct option. Visit iExamB website to know more about the online courses we offer. Practice by taking a free mock test at iExamB. Like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to get the updates. All the best.